Pipis in black bean sauce, and they're even better when they're served with vermicelli noodles. So let's get onto the vermicelli noodles first. Into a bowl, I'm going to add a whole packet. And you really want to submerge them in lots of boiling water so they par-cook. So cover them up and grab some tongs and just push them down, and they won't take long at all to soften. While they're softening, let's get onto the Pipis. This is a really fast dish, full of flavour with minimal ingredients, my kind of cooking. So I've just been heating up some oil in my wok. You want it to be really, really hot. I've julienned some ginger, so I want it to be nice and fine. We'll add that first. Great sizzle there. And then the Pipis, or vongole if you like, pop them in. And we're just going to toss them. And this pan is screaming hot, and that's what you want for the Pipis, so they open up quite quickly. Timing-wise, they're going to take about 1 to 2 minutes, or really, you know that they're cooked once they start to open. I can get on with the shallots. I want to cut them into battens so you can distinctively see big chunks of Pipis and the spring onions for a pop of sweetness. So 3 centimetre battens is what I'm after. And then even some of the dark parts of the spring onions we can use for this dish. So go about 3/4 of the way up. And you can see how fast these Pipis open. Aren't they cute? You just know that they're cooked. You don't want to overcook them. So once you see majority of them popping open, it's time to take them out. So I've just got another bowl here, and using a slotted spoon, we're going to take most of them out just to rest for a moment. Oh, they smell amazing already, but we haven't even added our black bean sauce. Black bean sauce is one of those condiments I love to have in my pantry. Fantastic for dressings, stir fries just like this, and steamed dishes. Okay, last few little Pipis, get them out. Great. Okay, they are going to be returned into our dish in a moment, but first we'll just add a good glug of our black bean sauce, a couple of tablespoons. Just give that a swirl. And you see all those juices that are at the bottom of the pan, that's come from the Pipis. That's that natural saltiness that's going to come out of them, almost like a seafood stock. So that's going to give us loads of flavour, and it's also going to help coat our beautiful noodles, which are ready. You can drain these if you like, or you can just use your tongs to drain majority of the water. I don't mind if some of the water goes into this because it's just going to help the sauce too. So we'll pop that in, and a few more. And now we're going to give them a really good stir to coat that in the sauce. We'll turn the heat up slightly, let that bubble away. In with our spring onions. And our Pipis, we can return them now, just so everything is coated together. Now for the fun part. You don't want to be wearing white for this because it does get a bit messy. But we're going to toss everything together. Use your tongs to get in there, give it a shake, and that is a delightful noodle stir-fry dish with minimal ingredients. Let's plate this up. We'll grab our noodles, we'll pop them in. You can see how our spring onions are just slightly raw. I don't want them to be overcooked. A few more Pipis and those long noodles. And that is a gorgeous dish. You'll notice that it's not swimming in sauce. I don't want it to be swimming in sauce. I want the sauce to be coating each strand of those vermicelli noodles and those gorgeous Pipis. A stunning dish done in minutes.